What's going on, YouTube fam? This is LC with Loyal Crypto. Thank you for joining me today. Today, the project is BSCX. It's finding some ways for everyone in the crypto community to be profitable, not just the Loyal Crypto community, but everyone in the crypto community. And I want to make sure we're a part of it. So like, subscribe, and share, and let me jump into it. Okay, so today we have BSCX, and the ticker is BSCX. Okay, so the price today is $9.72, and that's down 0.9% with a market cap of $36 million. And I feel like this is an extremely low market cap, so I like to look at some of these smaller projects because if it does well, it can make some exponential gains. And the circulating supply is 3.8 million with a max supply of only 9.9 million. So if this thing starts to go up in market cap with this low of a circulating supply, you can see some huge gains for me and you. But let me go into the chart to see if you guys wanted to invest in it at this point, and I'll go there in a second. But by market cap, this thing is ranked 653. Now look at this chart here. What we see in the 24-hour, we see a nice little dip, but look like I would say this is a consolidation zone. Now here on the 7-day, you see that we had a nice dip, and 14 days out, you see we made a massive little move there, and we're taking a break. And 30 days, you can see that it's been showing signs that has not breaking over its past resistance as of yet, and I put that around $12.78, and we made another lower high. So I want to get to the chart and show you guys what I think of BCX and if it's a good time to invest right now. But first, let me go over to the website to let you know what BSCX is all about in the first place. Alright, so here on BSCX's website, it says exchange and swap crypto in seconds. Join the world's first decentralized crypto exchange and ecosystem on the Binance Smart Chain. You have here the LaunchZone news, and you can scroll in there if you want to see some of the articles that they had in the past. They also have LaunchZone Spotlight, so you can check in there and see the good things that BSC got going on. But let's see LaunchZone SwapX. So SwapX is the key product of the LaunchZone ecosystem. It is similar to the Binance liquidity swap, but much more advanced. Binance's liquidity swap is a centralized service that supports swapping between stablecoins and fiats, while SwapX supports more stablecoins and cryptocurrency pairs. Okay, so they're basically giving you a feature that you can use in a decentralized way. And what is LaunchZone Pool X? The Pool X serves as an on-chain addition on the Binance Launch Pool. Users will be able to provide LP tokens for the BSCX and BUSD pair to farm, earn a new token. The amount of the daily earned tokens is proportional to the number of tokens you have subscribed to the pool versus the total number of tokens subscribed to the pool. The tokens you earn are distributed to you in real time. You get to accumulate a brand new coin for free. So that is a great feature there. I love when I receive some free earnings. So LaunchZone Pad X. Pad X is the on-chain version of Binance Exchange Launchpad. It is the platform for crypto startups to raise their fund through the process called IDO, Initial DEX Offering. The difference here is only those who win the Lucky Star ticket of the Launchpad X have the right to participate in the IDO. Now the LaunchZone DEX X, you can look here and look to see what they got going on. Trade anywhere decentralized, and of course cryptocurrency is moving toward a decentralized world, so I support anything that tries to build a decentralized platform. And you see here on mobile, you can use Trust Wallet or any kind of wallet that supports Web3 and dApps to experience in our products. On desktop, you can use Chrome and MetaMask to experience in our products, including DEXX, SwapX, and PoolX. Now, decentralized, not your key, not your coin. Enjoy trading using your own assets on your favorite wallets anywhere, anytime. Now that means you can trade in America, you can trade in a third world country, Europe, Asia, it doesn't matter. When it's decentralized, you can bypass your governments that aren't allowing you to create nice yields for yourself, that's not creating any opportunity for you in your space. And the decentralized platform is the way to go, especially if you have a cell phone here. So I like that. And as you can see here, the partner projects, they have Berry, BSC Tools, Burger Swap, Let me see some other things that I've seen earlier. They have Surtech, Helmet, Auto Farm, Venus, Bakery Swap, Jet Fuel Finance, Pancake Swap. Yeah, they have some good partnerships here. So I like a lot of these projects here. I'm investing in Jet Fuel. I love Venus, Pancake Swap, Bakery Swap as well. So you guys want to definitely take a look at this to see if this is a good fit for your portfolio. But let me get over to their Twitter to show you what the community is saying. Alright, so we have here LaunchZone, aka BSCX, and their community is 56,000 followers large. So this project had joined back in October of 2020, and 56,000 followers. I feel like that's a nice size community, and you can subscribe to them. You want to see here what they got going on, any news. It looked like they're active. You see here a post 9 hours ago, 6 minutes ago, 9 hours. Yeah, man. So it looks like they've been pretty active with the community, and they're letting you know everything that they got going on with the project. So let me get over to the chart and let you know what the price action is showing me. Okay, so I have BSCX pulled up on Dex Guru, and what I'm currently seeing here is, let's see, it looks like they starting off at February 19th. So with the information that Dex Guru is showing me, I'm going to see if I can pull out some type of case that's showing that we can start breaking bullish, or if we want to wait to see if this is going to continue to go on a nice down slope before we can find some steady ground. Currently right now, what I'm seeing here is, let me back out, get my brush. I'm seeing lower highs, okay? So currently we look like we've been on a steady decrease, and what I want to see is us break past these resistance levels before I'm ready to invest my money in this project. Now I think BSCX can definitely have a bright future because I like what they're tackling, but what we want to do as smart investors is see if we can break past some of these resistance zones. So momentum is telling us that it's now a smart investment. So just looking here at our indicators, it looks like with our MACD, let me go to this one first. It looks like we're trading under our zero line. And what I want to see is us first break past this zero line and start to balance out, and then continuously trade over the zero line so I can see that momentum has steadily changed. What we've been seeing is it goes over the zero line, trades back under, goes over, trades back under, and it wraps a little bit, then goes and trades back under. What I want to see is some consistent moves bouncing on top of the zero line and continue to trade over so I can feel more comfortable here. And as you can see with our Stochastic Rsi, let me just throw a 50 line on here. Okay. And we have made steady moves to the downside where momentum is showing us that we are not looking bullish right now. Okay, we have not even made a nice move back into range as of yet. We've been trying to dip back over range, and it's been making moves, hitting it and then forcing it back down. So I want to see a nice impulse back over into range and possibly start to show that it's trading above this range over our 80% mark, and then go down and start making some bounces and then trade within the range before we can start saying, oh, now is a good time to invest in this project, because my money is going to be on the side until a project shows me that it's worth me investing. But you guys, of course, can do whatever you want with your money. I believe in the future of this project if it can get its act together with price action. But what I want to see is it first break over this resistance line of around $15. Let me grab a horizontal line. So right here, this is going to be a key metric for us to see, okay, this has now finally changed its tune. As you can see, we've had massive hits here on this resistance line. It's hit once. This whole row right here was one huge hit, but if we really dive in there and see how many times it actually hit, it was not able to break back above $15.81. I want to see a nice move and possibly hit over and bounce and stabilize on top of this $15.81 mark, because that's going to show that this project is now able to build up enough strength to even go past our next all-time high. But before we get to the $15 mark, I think here is another zone. We have some touches there around, what is that, $12.50, I want to say. So once we break past $12.50, I want to see some stabilization, and then the next zone is going to be $15.80. And then I'm pretty bullish on this project at that point, because I feel like we have enough buyers, and then the bears have now finally slowed down. They tired out, and the bulls can now make some things happen. So let me give you my quick little price prediction if this thing starts going back bullish on where I think it can possibly hit. Alright, so using the information that Dex Guru is letting me use right now, I'm going to build out a fib extension from this dip here from around our all-time high, come down to this dip, go to swing high, which is this recent high of around, what, $25, and then come back down to this dip here. Okay, so this dip here was a nice successful move. We tried to break past this resistance, we weren't able to, but I feel like this is a stable point for us to get back above in the short term. So our 1.272 is showing us that we have a price here at $28.86 that we first want to reach at our first price target. Okay, boom, let me put a green line there. All right, the next one is going to be our 1.618, and that's going to get us a price of $33.95. Now, my next price target is going to be the last one, because I want to see how price action moves after it starts to get cocky again. It starts moving in the upward direction, but I feel like it can hit a price target of $39.67, and I think I could do that this summer. But again, first I want to see some bullish action to see if we can break past this current resistance, and then I feel very confident that it can hit $40 no problem. Once we start to see that steam is now on our side, that volume is now on our side, because look at these value candles. If you can look down here, these volume candles are showing 2.45 million, 3 million. Let me see here. When we tried to break past this resistance zone, it was showing 3.3 million. Now look at here at this volume. The volume is showing very low right now. So once we start to pick up some volume, man, I think it's going to give us some steam to break past that resistance, and then we can start to hit our all-time high, and then we can start to hit our next price targets. So we have another price target up here of around $48. I'm not confident yet to say we can hit $48 until I see that bullish move. But yeah, man, this project is decentralized and on the BSC, so that can ride that train reaction. When everything on the Binance Smart Chain starts to move, this project can also hit that nice move. So keep a lookout on this one, keep it on your radar, and let me know what you think. Okay, so that is my overview on BSCX, and it's a dip right now. Like, when it's taking a dip, we need to take a dip. My grandmama once told me, well, my grandmama doesn't know crypto, but I'm sure if she did know crypto, she would have told me to buy the dips. And I think this is something that we don't want to miss out on, because I feel like it can go. So if you enjoyed the video today, please like, subscribe, and share. Comment down below if you agree with my comments, or if you don't, let me know why. And yeah, I'm going to keep trying to find some ways for us to make some money. So stay tuned. 1.